Servpro of West Forsyth County was called in to mitigate water damage in this two-story condominium. The damage was caused by the failure of an upstairs toilet freshwater supply line. The foyer, the loft, hall, bathrooms, guest, and master bedrooms were severely affected. As you can see, water saturated the carpet and the walls. When water is gushing from a supply line, it is important to shut it off quickly. Excess water was extracted, drying equipment such as air movers and dehumidifiers were set and monitored. The carpet, sheetrock were removed and vented in order to professionally dry the structure. After the drying is measured and completed, the restoration of the walls, flooring, and painting were accomplished. If water damage affects your home or business, Servpro of West Forsyth County can make it like it never even happened.